Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a yummy, cheesy pizza slice with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the outline of pizza crust and some of the pepperoni pieces. Now onto the edge of the pizza slice. And here is the oozing, yummy cheese. The cheese on the pizza is my favorite part. Now I am just finishing off the opposite edge of the pizza, and I am adding in some more pepperoni. Yummy! I am using my black marker now to add some seasoning and spices to my pizza slice. That's the outline done. On to coloring in my pizza. I am starting with coloring the cheese on my pizza slice. I am using a yellow color. I am coloring in with crayons today. Now onto the crust. I am using an orange color. I am using a red color for these. And here I am coloring in my pepperoni. Onto the edge of my pizza slice, I am using a brown color. And that's it. I'm all finished. My cheesy pepperoni pizza looks so yummy. Do you like it? Make sure to subscribe for more videos and get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.